Hey, join me for another video. Today, I'm going to be a good shout out to Marcel. He's on. I can hear a helicopter. Oh, sorry about that. Marcel, I'll give you a big shout out like Christian. I done a shout out to you. It's actually, guys, this is a police helicopter. I can hear. Sorry. So, I will give you a big shout. No. What's happening? No. What's happening? Wait. Guys, I think there's a helicopter. But shout out to Marcel. And his YouTube channel used to be called Blue Roof. I can't remember his channel. But Marcel, if you're watching this, comment down below your YouTube channel. I'm gonna spy on the helicopter. I can hear it because it's too loud, and I don't want to interrupt this. And here it comes in a minute. But I don't know if it's going on the side. I don't know if it's going to the side or this side. But this is the outside. Maybe it's coming back. I don't know. And where's the helicopter? I was trying to video the chopper, but accidentally put it away. But I think it's. I can hear it somewhere around here. I can hear it. It's right there. You can see, guys. There's the helicopter. There's the helicopter. Here it comes. Here's the helicopter. Let's go for 2, 3. That's the helicopter. That's the helicopter. Okay, sorry. There's the helicopter. Oh my gosh, it's so high. God! It's a crazy helicopter. It's low flying. Gosh, it's really loud. I need to feel up. Let's go. Helicopter to be here. I can tell. So, and the helicopter is around here. I think it's patrolling the city. I think. I can hear it's coming back. Just waiting for it. Guys, I just found a helicopter. Look at that. It just flies in the sky. That's a police helicopter, okay? It's like, I think it's patrolling. It's around somewhere. It's not around here. It's not around here. But look at the when this is a low fly. Look at that, it just goes. I think it's going away now. And I think we're just gonna zoom out. And it's behind them bushes. You can see that big tree. Yes. I don't want these neighbors. You know these neighbors. I don't want them to see me. So gonna put it down so I can see the helicopter. Oh, I think I can't hear the helicopter anymore. Okay, I think it's gone. I think it's gone this way. Wait, I'll show you. I think the helicopter's gone that way. Around here. So it's right there somewhere. If I can capture the helicopter again, I'll keep you updated. I think it's gone now. Because I can't hit no more of the helicopter. So the helicopter was going around here and around here, going around there, to there, and come back again and came back. I think it's gone. Okay. Okay, this is the horror stage, going to tour for a bit. And I will see you later for another video. Subscribe, like, comment down below, and see you later for another video. Goodbye!